Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's find the solution for the 7th question. The first subdivision here is integral of x power 5 by 1 plus x power 6 dx. So let's put denominator 1 plus x power 6 as t. So on differentiation, this will become 6 into x power 5 dx is dt. So x power 5 dx is equal to dt divided by 6. Now let's put this in the integration. So this will become numerator is dt divided by 6. Denominator is just t. So take out the 1 by 6. So 1 by 6 integral of dt divided by t. So if you integrate, you will get this as 1 by 6 log t plus c. Put back the value of t here. So this is 1 by 6 log of 1 plus x power 6 plus c. Now let's take up the second subdivision. Here it is integral of 1 by x log x dx. So let's put only the log x as t. So log x is equal to t. It means 1 by x dx is equal to dt. Now if you look at this dx divided by this x, I will replace as dt. So let's put this. So the numerator will become dt. The denominator will be t. So integral of dt by t, let's apply the formula. So this is equal to log t plus c. Now put back the value of t here. So log of, you have t itself is log x. So log of log x plus c. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 8th question in this exercise. See you in the next video. Bye.